presenting the Amazon basics hot, cold and normal water dispenser with refrigerator. In this video, we'll talk about the product's features, assembly, usage and maintenance. This dispenser has a bottle supporter, a top cover and a cooling and heating indicator. There are 3 buttons for hot, normal and cold water, and directly below them are their outlets and the drip tray. On the bottom half is the refrigerator with the door and its compartments. At the back, these switches on the top power the cooling and heating features. Here are the air vents, the handles, and this is the power cord. Water can be drained out from these spots right here. At the bottom, you'll find the condenser and refrigerant circuit for the refrigerator. When setting up the dispenser, place it on a stable and even surface away from damp places or heat sources like sunlight and gas ranges. The appliance works best with a 20-liter bottle. When installing or refilling, keep your back straight and squat to lift the bottle. Hold it from the brim with your other hand. Lift with your legs and tilt the bottle onto the dispenser. Connect the appliance to a stable power socket and switch on the appliance. Turn on the cooling and heating switches on the back and allow the water to run through the appliance for 5 minutes. Once the water reaches the desired temperature, the light indicator on the front go out. Cold and hot water take about 45 minutes to an hour the first time around, and then 10 to 15 minutes during subsequent uses. To dispense hot water, slide back the child safety lock. Place your glass underneath the hot water outlet and press the button. Follow the same procedure for normal and cold water. The appliance is also fitted with a refrigerator that can be used to cool both liquid and solid food. After switching the appliance on, let the refrigerator compartment cool for at least an hour. The door should remain closed at all times and the item inside should be placed in a way that allows air circulation.
Hey everyone, I am Shaurya and today I am talking about the AQUAULTRA Dolphin 5-stage Purification 9-liter RO plus Active Copper plus B12 Alkaline Water Purifier filter. This water purifier is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient water purification system. It features a 9-liter transparent water storage tank with ultraviolet protection and a 5-stage purification system that includes RO, UV, copper and activated carbon technology. The AQUAULTRA Dolphin 5-stage Purification 9-liter RO plus Active Copper plus B12 Alkaline Water Purifier filter is a great choice for anyone looking for a safe and clean water supply. It is easy to install and use and it will provide you with crystal clear water for your home or office. So if you are looking for a reliable and efficient water purification system, then check out the AQUAULTRA Dolphin Water Purifier filter today.
Hi everyone, I'm Namita Sajdev. So when it comes to purchasing water filters or purifiers, it's really important to consider several factors to ensure you choose the best product for your needs. So here is a comprehensive buying guide for you all to help you make an informed decision. Water filtration method. Determine the type of water filtration method you prefer based on your specific needs. Common methods include activated carbon filters, reverse osmosis systems, UV purification and distillation. Each method has its strengths and is suitable for different contaminants. Contaminant removal. Identify the specific contaminants present in your water supply. Look for filters or purifiers that are certified to effectively remove those contaminants. Common contaminants includes chlorine, lead, bacteria, viruses, heavy metals, pesticides and sediment. Filter lifespan and replacement. Check the expected lifespan of the filters or purification cartridges. Understand the replacement frequency and associated cost with it. Some filters require replacement every few months, while others may last up to a year or more. So you can consider keeping in mind your ongoing maintenance requirements. Water flow rate. Consider the water flow rate of the filter or purifier. Higher flow rates are beneficial for filling large containers or for households with high water consumption. However, be aware that higher flow rates may impact the filtration effectiveness. Installation and compatibility. Determine whether the filter or purifier requires professional installation or if it is simple DIY setup, means do-it-yourself setup. Check compatibility with your existing plumbing fixtures, your faucets and water dispensers as well. Some filters can be installed under the sink, on the countertop or directly on the faucet. Filtered water capacity. Assess the daily water consumption needs of your household. Consider the filter or purifier's capacity to ensure that it can meet your demands without frequent refills or interruptions. Maintenance and easy to use. Evaluate the maintenance requirements of the filter or purifier. Some systems may require periodic cleaning, while others may have self-cleaning features. Consider the ease of use, including filter replacement procedures and indicator lights that signal when it's time to replace the filter. By considering these factors, you can choose a water filter or purifier that effectively meets your water quality requirements and provides cleaner, safe drinking water for you and your family as well. So happy shopping!